Hey there, hope everybody is doing well. Well, what do you think? Thought waking up this morning and sitting there at $46,342. Where are the Bears now? Where are the Bears? Yeah, they're all in disbelief at the moment. They're all thinking, well, why have we not dropped down? And if you look at everything now, I can't really see any bad news on the horizon at this point in time. We just don't know what can happen day by day. But at the moment, all the grayscale selling is slowed up now. You know, I just don't see any negativity unless something like a black swan event comes in and shocks the markets. I do not know. But we've got all the S&Ps getting to that 5,000 mark, you know, and what happens then is everybody starts getting more and more risk on. And what they're going to come to, they look at the crypto market and think, right, we've got plenty of room for that. Start putting liquidity into that. And also we've got the Bitcoin ETFs. $1 billion trades. It's absolutely crazy at the moment, and it's really mega bullish. If you're not bullish now, I don't know what to say. If you're not bullish on CRO, because what crypto.com are doing, what I'm going to get into in a moment, I don't know what to say. I've been DCAing in for a long time now, and I've really have seen the fruits, and we had that pullback. Could that be the pre-halving dip? I don't know. We may get a pre-halving dip. You just got to be prepared. But at the moment, I'm bullish. The charts look strong. Everybody is happy, you know, and let's get into it. So give us a like, give us a thumbs up, and give us a subscribe. It's always much appreciated. So at the moment, we broke out that wedge, what we said. We're heading up now to 47,000. That is key resistance in my eye. If we can break through that $47,000 resistance, I really do think we're going to get to that 50 and potentially go back to where we were all-time high. But obviously, you know, we could get pullbacks on the way. But looking at the weekly on this as well, we can see on the weekly at the moment, we can see on Stock RSI is just turning up. So at the moment, we're really looking bullish. And we could see on the Smart Trail as well, is looking really healthy. We're coming up to that little bit of resistance here. Like I said, get to 47,000, break through that. We're on the ways. And do not forget, we've got 60 to 70 days worth till we get to that Bitcoin halving, and we're going to get our supply shock. So, like I said, I don't know what to say. If you're not bullish now, I really do not know what to say, really. But look, everywhere it's a bit more turning into green at the moment on the bubbles at the moment. So they're looking really strong. But if you just go to the bubbles, which is worth just pointing out, and go to settings, you can actually click onto different, you know, onto Bitcoin, say, for an example, and we can see what is strong against Bitcoin at the moment. We can see at the moment, ICP is looking strong, Rune at the moment, Hex, Injective looking really strong at this point in time. And then, like I said, you can go back to the US dollars and see what's going on there. So everything is looking really good, and it's all green, pretty much green on the chart, and it's great to see it green, especially when you've been buying those dips. But CRONOS at the moment, CRO, as you can see here on the daily, we've had some great moves up. We're up 2.81%. We're at over 8.5 cents at the moment, heading up for that 9 cents. So looking really strong. And why is it looking strong in my opinion? When you get tweets coming out from Chris, new perks. I said in the bull market, and Chris said as well. Chris said in the bear market, when we're in the bull markets and we start seeing that flips coming, you see the perks coming back. And we can see on this one perk that it's come back, which is pretty awesome. Unfortunately, it's not for me because I can't afford it. But today we're launching Crypto.com's Prime. It is by far the strongest product for the HNWI in the market. Deep aggregated liquidity, market maker level of fees, 2 basis points, free deposits and withdrawals, uncapped 1% deposit bonus for accounts with main balance of 1 million and above. So we can click on here. So what's it all about here? Built-in generator. This is basically, it's for the whales out there. And one thing I like the look of, which I'm really looking forward to see, I probably can't have it because I haven't got the money, is the Crypto.com Prime Visa card. Now that is going to be certainly interesting to see what perks you get on that. Does that make the Obsidian obsolete? Well, we will soon see on that one. That's good. But it says you can register now. You can click here and get invited in. Obviously, They'll probably do the checks to see if you have got the money. So like I say, you get uncapped deposits and bonus from the 7th of April 2024. Transfer $1 million, not 1 million crow, $1 million or more in crypto or fiat to get your deposit bonus. And you can click there. Access to institutional grade rates. Enjoy deep liquidity, real time, aggregated order books, near zero fees, lower spread. So this is a great way to attract all those institutions and those big whales out there. And obviously, you get those people involved, they're probably going to buy CRO, I would have thought. There's going to be CRO in there. So that's going to be our, in terms of the price action for CRO again. But yeah, we could keep going. Uncapped fiat limited, white glove service. You can count on relationship management for all your crypto needs. And like I said on the previous video, it looks like customer service is improving and even the CEOs involved. Wealth service. As a Prime member, you'll automatically enjoy estate disbursements and tax service tailored to your needs. I like the look of that one. So one card above all, turns heads everywhere with your most exclusive card yet, coming soon, only for Prime members. I'm really bullish. I'm looking forward to looking at what this card, the perks of this card. What is it going to get? Because we know with the Icy White that I've got, you get the Prime, you get the Netflix, Spotify. What are they going to get? The private jet or what like? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. What do you think they're going to get on this Prime debit card? And I wonder what it's going to look like as well. That's going to be an eye-opener, I would have thought. So secure by design and then register your interest now. So lots going on. Chris was right. He kept to his promise. He kept to his promise and said, look, when the bull market comes back, expect the perks to return, and hopefully we're getting more perks for us retail, because we could see the APRs are going up and we're getting more perks in the DeFi and such like. So yeah, it's all looking good, and also looking all good. And then also we've got make smart trading decisions with Signal Crypto.com app. So in the Crypto.com app, lots of perks coming into that. Detailed price change, on-chain activity, large volume trade. Put your fingers on the pulse with these time signals, enhancement every trade you make. So yeah, it comes down here. Available now for selected jurisdictions before progressively rolling out across the world. So I'm not too sure. I don't think it's in the UK yet, but let's hope it does. So once we get these, I'll soon know. Once we get like an update on the app, it calls you for an update. I know something will be coming, because yesterday I got something and I put it out here that we've got the nice live price action on the Crypto.com app as well. That's a really mega nice feature to have on the app. So when you're on your go, you're out on business or you're out and about with the family and you just want to have that sneaky check to see what the live price action is, you can go to your Crypto.com app and check it out. And you can see here, I tweeted this out yesterday. You can see what's going on there, and you can see here, it gives you that live price action. So overall, we've got so much going on, so many perks that are coming into Crypto.com app, and it's just not stopping. There seems to be something coming all the time, and they know something, because at the end of the day, they see the inflows coming into crypto, the Crypto.com team does. So they see what's coming in, and they see getting these institutions, good for us. We're getting hopefully higher APRs as well, because we know we had the vote for the CRONOS as well. So, and like I said, conservatively, I really do think, and I keep putting out there, I really do think we'll go to $1. I really do think we'll go to $1.50 and potentially up to $2 to $3. It's what they're building is really going to be very attractive to get those people into the Crypto.com and the CRONOS ecosystem. And that is good for us CROFAM out there. It's good for us people who own the CRO token, because the more people come into Crypto.com, the more people are going to buy CRO. It's just unstoppable. And people are starting to slowly talk about CRO again. So if you've been sitting on the side fences, I do not know what to say. I don't know. I'm bullish as anything. And do not forget, like I said, you're always going to get the FUDs out there. It doesn't matter if you're holding Injective Protocol or you're owning Beam or Vulcan 4 or something like that, or even Bitcoin. You're always going to get people being negative. They're normally quite, because they've either feel like they've missed the boat and are angry. You know, I don't know. But ignore these footies, look at the positive, and also zoom out. Don't look at the 5-minute charts. Zoom out and look at the future, because the future is crypto. Crypto is not going away. When I first got into crypto, it could have gone down to it, but now it's, you know, it's like institutions are involved. It's everywhere. Crypto is everywhere now. I really can't see it ever going to zero, specifically Bitcoin. But yeah, so all good there. Like I said, give us a like, give us a subscribe. It's always much appreciated. Take care trading, and I'll see you soon in the next video.